Hello students, welcome back to our official JEE Physics PYQ series. Today's question is from Units and Measurements, one of the easiest scoring chapters in JEE Main. Although the calculations are simple, many students lose marks because of one small conceptual mistake. Let's learn the correct method and also a quick calculation trick. When the same quantity is measured several times, different readings are obtained because no measurement is perfectly accurate. The best estimate of the actual value is the average or mean. To know how reliable this average is, we calculate relative error. In this question, 4 persons measured the length of rod. These are the 4 readings. We have to find the relative error in the measurement of average length of the rod. The physical principle used here is repeated observations reduce random error. Average gives the most reliable estimate, and relative error is obtained from mean absolute error upon the mean value. So average tells us the best value, while relative error tells us how trustworthy that value is. Now let's solve it exactly the way JEE expects. First we calculate the average x bar, which is sum of observations upon 4, which equals 75.01 upon 4. Gives average length x bar 18.7525. This average is our best estimate. Next we have to find absolute deviations from this mean value. Mod 20 minus 18.75, 1.25 centimeter, etc. 0.50 centimeter. Notice that every deviation is taken as absolute using modulus sign. Mean absolute error is sum of all these absolute deviations 4.49 upon 4, 1.12 centimeter, and relative error is 1.12 upon average 18.7525. Students, now comes the part where many waste time doing long division. Let me show you a faster way. 1.12 is close to 1.14 upon 18.7525 is close to 19. This will be 0.06 because 19 6s are 114. We can immediately identify option 2 to be the correct answer. In JEE Main, when options are widely separated, like in here, intelligent approximation is often faster than exact long division. So the fastest examination method is find average, find absolute deviations, calculate mean absolute error divided by average, and approximate intelligently. Remember this forever. So average is best measured value, while relative error tells us how reliable that value is. Reliability. I hope this question made the concept of relative error crystal clear. If you found the calculation shortcut useful, don't forget to practice similar PYQs from Units and Measurement. See you in the next official JEE Physics PYQ.